That is this material nature. We all are here in this material nature in order to enjoy, in order to try to enjoy. We cannot enjoy. When we wanted to enjoy ourselves instead of becoming enjoyed, or instead of becoming a servant, when we wanted to become the Lord and Master, then Krishna says, well, in the spiritual world you can't fulfill your desire. It's not going to happen here. Here you'll never be able to become a Lord and Master. I am the Lord and Master. But since you are so keen to become Lord and Master, go and see. So Krishna then creates this material nature. Okay, come. Okay. Enjoy. It's something like, there is one incident in Prabhupada's life. Prabhupada's little son, seeing the fan, he wanted to touch the fan. So his mother was telling, don't do that, he'll get hurt. And he started to cry, no, I want to touch it, I want to touch it. And no matter how much the mother was trying to convince him not to touch it, he wouldn't listen, but he just kept on crying louder and louder. Little annoyed, Prabhupada got up when they switched off the fan. And when the fan speed reduced, he said, touch. And he touched it. Krang! Started to cry. What happened? Oh, I got hurt. Touch it. No, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. So Krishna made the arrangement for us in a kind of a similar way. Oh, touch it. Go and try it. Go. You want to enjoy? Go, enjoy. And then, when you try to enjoy, what happens? You suffer.